This salmon is the easiest, most delicious way you could ever make salmon. Let's get started, guys. Alright, you guys, we're going to start by making a marinade for the salmon. So in my bowl, I have some melted butter. Into that, I'm adding some olive oil, soy sauce, honey, minced garlic, some brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and some red pepper flakes for a little heat. Go ahead and mix everything together, and this marinade, you guys, it's the perfect marinade for salmon. It's so good. Next, you're going to grab your baking pan and lay some sliced lemons on the bottom, just like that. Next, I'm laying my salmon right on top of the lemons, and make sure your salmon is very fresh, like right out of the store fresh. That way it doesn't develop a fishy smell, okay guys? Go ahead and pour the marinade all over your salmon. Then you're going to let the salmon marinate for exactly 1 hour to soak in all those delicious flavors. While the salmon is marinating, make sure you baste it every 20 minutes, just like I'm doing. That way you get the marinade moving all over the salmon. Also, make sure you cover your salmon and keep it in the fridge while it's marinating, okay guys? While your salmon is still marinating, make sure you take it out of the fridge and let it sit on the counter for 15 minutes to come to room temperature before you put it in the oven. That way they cook evenly. You're going to put your oven at the broil setting and broil the salmon for exactly 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to take out your salmon and baste it very well with the sauce. Then put it back in the oven to broil for another 5 minutes. And here it is, looking very yummy. It smells so good. That sauce on the salmon is amazing, and the flavor is out of this world delicious. I served my salmon with rice and asparagus. The salmon came out so moist and juicy, like it literally melts in your mouth. No joke. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.